I'ma knock it down like I'm hitting free throws. And I'm getting money like I'm playing for the pros. She used to the rookies, but I'm an all-star, all-star. Don't throw 100s out the sports cars.
Active in LA, Mr. Figueroa, yeah, we back at it. All-Star Weekend, LA, California. We're out here in Studio City right now. Tell them what's going on, man.
Z, son of Abraham, going beastie. We with Joseph. Thank you for working, man. We need you. We going to the Kenny Smith All-Star, Charles Barkley. They gonna be sick when we get over here.
About to go heavy. Catch it on YouTube, catch it on the website. Heavy. All-Star Weekend, man. LA, let me live for you. Out.
Active in LA, man.
Thank you.
I'm with OG Kenny Smith, TNT. Black
you running it, man. You running it.
In LA, man.
I appreciate you. I appreciate you taking a picture of me.
No, all I wanted was time with the king. Ah, look at that.
Have a good night. Y'all be safe in there.
All right, straight out.
Fresh about that bulletproof 740 fever.
See, son of Abraham, active in LA. Lord, forgive us for our sins. In Jesus' name, amen. All-Star Weekend, going beastie. Young Matrix, K-Lane, brand new. Thank you.
Active in LA, man, backstage. You know.
Yeah, you gonna be humble or you gonna fumble. It's over. Active in LA, man, or die.
Yo, what's up, man? You know I know what it is, dog. It's your boy Too Short, man. I'm here with my man Z, son of Abraham, and we getting real motherfucking active in LA.
Thank you.
And if you can't do it like that, we just getting real active.
Thank you.
Set it off, Long Beach, LA County, bow it down, nigga, West Coast. Thank you.
We're doing it live right now, Z-Son, baby, it's going down like
Z, son of Abraham.
Active in LA.
live right now, Z-Son of Abraham, active right now, you better act.
What about the Z, son of Abraham. I'm with OG Snoop Deal, Double G from the LBC.
Z, son of Abraham is active. This nigga is really active. He's really active. I seen him at one video. The nigga ran behind my car. I'm like, come and give you the interview. I'm gonna give it to you. He like, no, nigga, just stop, nigga, and say, nigga, it's active, nigga.
For my family,
active,
man.
Nigga, you from the West
I need a
Coast,
job, bro.
On some real shit, I fucks with you because you're hustlers.
Thank you, man.
All y'all stay active.
God bless you,
Y'all
man.
stay active with what y'all doing because on some real shit.
God bless Calvin Brodus and his household.
Breaking the game by being diverse like that and being different and not being afraid and being active. Stay active. You know what I'm saying? Here we go. Big Snoop. Here we go.
Your seatbelt, baby, cause
we about to go big stick.
can we go hard?